Good morning, students. Welcome back to my computer online class. We were studying 4th chapter from your computer book, right? The chapter name is Data Storage Media. So today let's continue that chapter. So all of you open your books, page number 32. See, secondary memory. Sometimes there is so much information that it cannot be saved in the primary storage devices. So there is so much information cannot be saved in the primary storage devices. In that case, data can be saved in secondary storage devices. If we cannot save informations in primary storage device, in that case data can be saved in secondary storage devices. Okay, this is called secondary memory, also called auxiliary memory or external memory. Secondary memory is also known as auxiliary memory and also external memory. Remember this. Okay, a few examples of secondary storage devices are floppy disk, CDs, DVDs, pen drives and hard disks. These are some examples of secondary storage devices. What are they? Floppy disks, CDs, DVDs, pen drives and hard disks. These are also known as storage devices. Let us learn about it. Let us learn about secondary storage devices. About hard disk. Hard disk is installed inside the CPU cabinet. Hard disk is installed inside the CPU cabinet. Do you remember the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Okay. It has a large storage capacity. Hard disk has a large storage capacity. It can store a large amount of information. It is a magnetic disk on which the data can be stored. Hard disk is a magnetic disk on which we can store the data. Inside the hard disk, a circular disk is present which is made up of polished steel. Inside the hard disk, a circular disk is present. That circular disk is made up of polished steel. The hard disk is made up of the collection of these disks which are known as platters. So, hard disk is made up of the collection of these disks, means the polished steel disk which are known as platters. The computer starts working for any program after reading the information from hard disk. So after reading the information from the hard disk, computer starts working. Okay. Now see floppy disk. A floppy disk, also known as floppy diskette or just disk. So floppy disk is also known as floppy diskette or just disk. Okay, it stores very small amount of data. Floppy disk can store a very small amount of data. It is used to transfer data from one computer to another. Floppy disk is used to transfer data from one computer to another computer. Okay, it is also used for storing files or data in safe place. It is also used for storing some files or data in safe place. Okay, floppy disk is inserted in the floppy drive. Floppy is inserted in the floppy drive. Nowadays floppies are not much in use. These are not much in use nowadays. Instead, it has been replaced by CDs and DVDs. So floppies are replaced by CDs and DVDs nowadays. Floppy disk is available in two sizes. Floppy disk has two sizes. One is 3.5 inches and the other is 5.25 inches. So floppy disk is available in two sizes. One is 3.5 inches and other is 5.2 inches. Okay. The storage capacity of 3.5-inch disk is 1.44 MB. So as their sizes are different, their storage capacity is also different. So the storage capacity of 3.5-inch disk is 1.44 MB and 5.25-inch disk can store up to 1.2 MB data. This is 5.25 inches floppy disk and this is 3.5 inches floppy disk. Pen drive. What is pen drive? Pen drive is also known as USB flash drive. This is a small device used for transferring data or file from one computer to another. We can use pen drive to transfer data from one computer to another. We can transfer some information and also some movies, some cartoons through pen drive from one computer to another. The most important feature of a pen drive is that we can carry our data and important files in anywhere. We can keep pen drive along with us and we can carry our data and important files in it anywhere. It comes in various capacities ranging from 512 MB to 32 GB. So pen drive has capacities and this is different. And the range of capacities of pen drive started from 512 MB up to 32 GB. Okay, so this is about pen drive. So students, it's your today's class. Hope you all understand today's topics. If you have any confusion, ask me, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.